So hello people, how you going today? My name is Glenn and today we're going to be talking about common nouns, proper nouns. So in these two categories of nouns, the first one is common nouns and they apply to groups, so not just an individual. An individual who has a name. It doesn't have to be a person. It could also be a cup. So the common noun is for this, cups, but cup can be, if you wanted to give this a name, Glenn's cup. So that will be capitalised Glenn and capitalised cup, because that's the specific name I'll give this cup. But if it has no specific name, it's just a cup, uncapitalized. So then we have, that is a proper noun. So proper noun would be me, Glenn. The proper noun is Glenn. That is my name, and your name is also a proper noun. So 4 common nouns apply to groups. So we have cities like Melbourne, Sydney, Perth, Brisbane, Canberra. They're all cities. You know, you can include Tokyo, London, Asuncion, and any other city around the world. Towns, the same thing. They're just smaller than a city. Then we have olives. So olives are a fruit, and we're talking about all the olive trees that exists. So that is a tree. Then we have turkeys, all the animals, birds. Fun fact, turkeys are dinosaurs. And then we have dollar. So dollar is a common noun because it's referring to all the currency in circulation. And also, this is not specific, so it doesn't actually talk about which dollar you're talking about. So it could be US, Australian, New Zealand, Hong Kong, any dollar. It's not like the yen. The yen is capitalized because there is actually one currency that's called the yen, Japanese yen. And then we actually have abstract and concrete nouns. So we won't go into much detail about this, but the two abstract means, basically abstract means it's in your figurative, it's in your mind. So we have hope and beauty. So those are not tangible things. Concrete nouns are like these. You can hold a dollar, you can go to a city, you can eat an olive. So that is a concrete noun. Then we have proper nouns. So applies to the individual. The individual doesn't have to be a person. It can be pretty much anything that you've actually named. As I said before, Glenn's cup. So that is actually a proper noun. Also, I call this pen Quan. So this pen is Quan, and that is a proper noun for that. Also your pets, and let's have a look. So names of individuals. So Glenn, Rippin. Rippin's my cat's name because it likes to rip things apart. Then we have cities, towns. So we've got Broome and Tokyo. But you can see I've got Newcastle upon Tyne. And you can see that it's all capitalised. So proper nouns are capitalised. Newcastle is capitalised, but upon is not, because Tyne is the name of a river. It's a noun. Newcastle is the name of the city. It is a noun. And upon is not an actual noun, so you don't capitalise it. And the same with anything. If you have a name like the UN, the United Nations, that is capitalised because they starts at the start of the sentence. Then you got police, so these organisations are capitalised. Scouts, because they're a name of one organisation, even though they include individuals. If you have Boy Scouts, so Boy Scouts, then you can actually capitalise it or not, depends on the context. And another name of object is Excalibur, for a specific sword held by King Arthur. So that is how you separate, and more importantly, this is how you capitalise nouns. So in other languages, like in German, all nouns are capitalised, but in English, only proper nouns are capitalised. So a name of an object, organisation. This is basically what capitalisation in nouns is. So just a refresh, we've got common nouns, just names of groups of objects applied to groups, and proper nouns that are capitalised applied to individuals. So I hope this helps you with your English learning, and thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome time.